All right, what's going on, everybody? I'm here with the amazing Loli. She is by far one of the most perfect clients. Give the audience a little breakdown of just kind of you, a little bit of your story, just to kind of start.
Yeah, so I'm coming from the Dominican Republic, but I started fitness journey because in my family, our culture for Spanish culture, eating habit is having a lot of healthy issues like high blood pressure, diabetes, even cancer. I lost my grandma. My grandma was the one who grew me up. When that happened, I was like 12, and then I said to myself, I don't want this to happen to me. I want to live a healthier lifestyle. So I started my journey like that to be healthy and to prevent having all these healthy problems that it runs in the Latin community in general.
To kind of get into the meat and potatoes, I know you're really busy. How long have you been with PT Legends now?
6, 7 months, 7, 8 months.
So how long have you been part of the CEO program?
CEO program, 3 months.
Where were you at kind of when you started, before you joined PT Legends?
I actually invest money in another program at the beginning of last year, like in March. It was in no traffic, no nothing. It was like crickets in there. Barely was making money even though I invest money in there. So I took the risk and everything, but nothing. Barely was making not even $3,000 on personal training. A lot of clients book and never show up. I wasn't even charging them for the cancellations, but they were canceling so much that I say, no, I have to make another move. This is not gonna get me anywhere. And I was also in the 9 to 5, and it was very stressful, even though I was working from home for them. And I was finished at the gym like at 11 o'clock at night every single day. It was crazy.
With that type of experience where we're doing the in-person training, you're grinding, you got the Frenchie business, which the puppies take forever, they need a lot of attention and love. I wouldn't say necessarily a negative experience, but you weren't getting the right experience. Like, you weren't getting what was kind of sold to you and pitched to you in a program. What made you decide to sign up with PT Legends?
Eric was showing up. It was like pay ads from Eric in my Instagram all the time. So as soon as I saw him, so I start looking every day and watching on his, and I was like, I wonder what this guy is doing. So if these people are having all these results that he's sharing, why I cannot do it? So I know if I put the work, I know myself, and anything I put my head to, I go 100%. Probably because I was into his account and looking everything and liking his stuff. So probably somebody from his team actually reached out to me, and then we start like that, and he booked me, and that's it.
So what were some of the things that we've been able to help you with? Like, I know you and I have worked a lot together, but what were some of the things that we've been able to help you with?
So in a lot of aspects, I was also doing online coaching by myself. I wasn't scaling. I have the experience and everything, but you guys make a structure for me better. Help me with my calendar, with how to charge people, with a strike. Help me with a program that I can use and have everybody together in the program. So more organization. You have helped me so much with my content structure. Before, to be honest, I was just posting. After, you helped me so much with the scripts. So now every time I'm sending a message there, I'm talking with the perfect audience that I want to be working with. My Instagram is growing even more guidance, and having that community there that I know whenever I'm stuck on something, I reach out to you or to Eric, and whoever is available actually help me. It's like a family, and I don't regret any single moment that I've been in PT Legends. I highly recommend it.
And that's the biggest thing for us, is education is nothing unless you implement and you put into action. So you've been an amazing student so far. One of the things that you were talking about is just having like a kind of an issue with like the show ratio and stuff like that before you joined the program. How has that been since joining the program and having a little bit more structure behind those things?
So after I being in the CEO, is even more structured as well, because Eric share all these tricks that he does that I implement myself, and I do it every single day. So it's been very helpful. So the show up rate is insane. Even he say, when he see my analytics, he say, this is insane. How you got a show up rate like this? But it's amazing. I feel blessed. I feel like it was an angel that put you guys in my role.
Well, if everything happens for a reason, we are extremely glad that you chose to work with us, and you're killing it. Like, you're a prime example of what happens when that dedication and that hard work. Okay, so you were making about 3K with the training business prior to. This is always kind of like one of people's favorite questions. What's some of your biggest wins since you've joined the program?
So since November, I say I love Black Friday. So organically, I made $40,000. That wasn't not even paying ad, and that was for Black Friday. So here you go. I love Black Friday since then. I can't wait for Black Friday again.
That's freaking amazing. I mean, you literally put yourself into the 1%, like organically just crushing it. I think we might owe you a plaque. So overall, since you joined the program, how much revenue do you think you've brought into your business?
I have to see that, but because no counting last year, I made 140K. I started in the middle of the year. I cannot wait to see the numbers this year, the 2025 numbers, because it's gonna be a full year. So I started with you guys, and it's been incredible experience, and I can wait. So I was like doing the maths. Oh my God. So if I do minimum, if I go the same way that I'm been going since November, so I've been doing 40K a month. Don't say that to nobody, please. So if I do that, let's do even do calculation here. 40 for 12. That's $480,000. Oh my God. That's like a dream come true right there.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, you're building.
And I'm saying 40K, but I have other goals. Eric have me some excitement say when you hit 50K, I'm gonna give you a plate. So I'm been working hard for it. Since he say, I'm like, oh my God, I wanna do it, I wanna do it, I wanna do it. And I'm, working very hard with my team to make it happen.
Yes, ma'am. But now you got sense, and that's the thing. It's like with you, your work ethic, guidance that you're able to implement like right away and get that data, there's no reason why you couldn't have a 7-figure run rate by the end of the year and that type of thing. And that's huge because you are truly like implementing, taking action, and results are what's driving yes, obviously, a lot of the structure and things like that have helped, but the fact that you're able to deliver such amazing results for your clients and, those transformations, I mean, they speak for themselves, at that point. So have that.
I told all of them that I put my heart and soul into everybody's plan, so it's beautiful. It's not just making money, it's that you also helping other people to be better in their life, making them better, be healthier and be happier, more confident, and living a healthier lifestyle, not only for a moment, for life. I never seen a client of mine who been in my hands and then go on in life without saying, I want to continue this lifestyle, and they keep it like that.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's amazing that we can touch people in a positive way, that they can actually change for better.
If somebody were on the fence, they were thinking about making the investment in themselves, they were just on the fence, they were nervous, they were scared,
listen, we are all humans, and to make big step in life, we all gonna feel nervous. Even when I went out there in Olympia, even though I worked hard for it, I was nervous before getting out there. So any good things in life is gonna make us feel nervous and sometimes hesitate and say if we will be able to make this happen. But the program is no doubt that it's the best program and the best investment I ever have made in my whole life. If I make it happen, I'm a regular person just like anybody.
I know you're working on a big project right now. It's not all the way out yet.
First, my initial goals, I want to help other women like myself to have all the knowledge that I have to be able to growing. I have bring some clients here that they are my friend. They are in my niche. They are in the industry like I am as well. And I don't feel, I feel that if we spread more information, we can help other people, and there's enough fish in the ocean. So if we do that, we will be growing more. So I want to have like an association, a community of women, empowering women that be able to change the world and help other people to be healthier.
Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. I love it. You're an amazing coach. You're an amazing instructor. You're an amazing student. So last little bit, if anybody has questions, they would like to reach out to you for anything, or they want to work for you, work with you, and they're interested, where can they find you? Where can they reach you?
So Loli_fitness in Instagram, that's the main platform that I use. I also Body by Loli in Facebook. First of all, Instagram is my main platform that I'm there all day long.
All right, beautiful. Well, thank you so much for your time today. I really appreciate you.
Yeah, I'm very grateful with you guys, and thanks for having me.